Types of AI careers. Career opportunities available in the field of AI are broadly divided into two categories: core research development and deployment. These jobs requiring advanced training and education. These jobs usually related to research, development, and deployment of AI systems. Some of them are 1. Machine learning engineers, 2. Data scientists, 3. Business intelligence developers, 4. AI research scientists, 5. Software analysts, 6. Software developers, 7. Computer scientists, 8. Computer engineers, 9. Algorithm specialists. Field and area specialists. Jobs where entry requirements are comparatively low. These jobs are typically related to operations of the AI systems. Some of them are 1. Engineers, mechanical, electrical, construction, etc. 2. Medical professionals. 3. Defense force specialists. 4. Graphic designers. 5. Architects. 6. Musicians. 7. Entertainment specialists.